Hi friends, I am Sunil here. Today we will be discussing about a program to remove all the duplicates from an integer array, from an unsorted integer array. In the logic part of the program, this is the program logic part where we are having three loops. One loop is the I loop, first loop, second is J loop, and the third is K loop. This is for K is equal to K loop. The function of that each loop we will discuss later. For a better understanding of this logic, we will first go through the array. This is the array. So array has 9 elements, 0 to 8. 0 to 8 means 9 elements are the size of the array is 9. So I value, initial value of I is 0, a of I is 2, that means a of 0 is 2. So this is I loop means this is the element for which we are searching. We have taken a of I is equal to 2 means 2 is the element which we are going to scan through the entire array to find whether the duplicate of 2 is existing or not. For that j value we are keeping 1. J value will always be 1 more than the value of I. I value is 0, so j value is 1. So a of j means a of 1, that is 8. A of j means a of 1, that is 8. So we are finding the duplicate of 2 exists or not. For that we are using I, and for searching we are using j. J loop we are using for searching. So now a of I is 2 and a of j is 1. 8. A of j means a of 1. A of 1 is 8. So a of I is 2 and a of j is 8, which are not equal. So we increment the value of j by 1, then j will become 2. J will become 2. A of j is 8 again, which is not matching with a of I, 2. Then we will increment j one more. So j will become 3. In this case, when value of j becomes 3, a of j is 2. And a of I is also 2. That means match has been found here. When j is equal to 3. When j is equal to 3, a of I is equal to a of j, and duplicate of 2 is found here. So now the k loop comes into picture. The k loop, what it does is, it moves the 17 to the position of 2. That means moves one position to the front. Subsequently, all the succeeding elements are also moved one position to the front. And this is how the 2 is replaced by 17 and 2 gets eliminated. This is how the 2 is eliminated, by replacing it by 17. And the size of the array also will be reduced by 1. So it becomes 8. So match is so the 2 is eliminated and the new array will be looking like this. Without the 2, this 2 is eliminated, then new array will be looking like this. Now what happens is, we have found the 2 when the position of j was 3. At the third position, when j is equal to 3, we keep the j as same, j is equal to 3, and continue the search further for the value of a of I is equal to 2. So j is 3, that means a of j is 17. J is 3 means a of j is 17, which is not matching with a of I, that is 2. Then we will increment j one more. So j value becomes 4. A of j is 5, which is again not matching with a of I, 2. Then increment j one more. J will become 5. A of I is 2. Match is found. 2 is equal to 2. Match is found because a of 0 and a of j is a of I is 0 and a of j means a of 5 is 2. So both are same. So another duplicate of 2 is found. Then what happens is, again we eliminate the 2 by shifting the succeeding element to the front. That is 17 will come here and 8 will come here. And the array size, which is 8, will be reduced now to 7. So the next array after eliminating the 2 will look like this. So all the 2's are eliminated, and then after that the j value at the time of finding the duplicate, time of finding the duplicate, the value of j was 5. So from that position we will continue the search again for 5 and 6, that is j of 5 and 6 both are not equal to 2, and we have reached the end of the array. Once the end of the array is reached, then we will go for the next element to be searched, that is we will increment the value of I by 1. So I was 0 initially, now it has become 1, and now we are going to find whether the duplicate of 8 is existing, because a of 1 A of I is 1 and A of 1 is 8. That is the next element. 2 is already eliminated. Now the next element is 8, which we want to find the duplicates are existing or not. So A of 1 is 8. So now we will find for the duplicate of 8. So for that we will, from that value of I, we will have to add one more to j. That means j will always be one more than I. So j will be 2. So A of j is 2. A of I means A of 1 is 8. A of j means A of j is 2. So A of j means A of 2 is 8. So both are matching again. The same process, once match is found, here this 8 is matching with this 8. Match is found, then this 8 is second, that is this 8 is eliminated by shifting all this one position to the front. So this 8 will be replaced by 17. 5 will come here, this 17 will come here, and 8 will come here. The size will be reduced by 1. That means the size of the array will now become 6. And after elimination of this 8, the array will look like this. So the process is repeated, and finally all the duplicate elements are removed, and the array will be looking, and the unique array will be like this: 2, 8, 17, 5. Now let us go through the code and see how it works. This is the code. Here we are entering the size of we are defining the array of 25. I, j, k are and size as integers. All are integer. It is an integer array of 25. And now we are entering the size, how many elements are there. So in this case we are having 9 elements. So after that we are inserting value into the arrays. That is 9 elements. We are populating the array with the 9 elements, and then we are displaying that. All the 9 elements we are displaying by using the printf. We are reading through scanf all the elements in the array one by one, and then we are displaying that elements through printf. One by one, all the elements which we have entered are displayed. Then after that, the duplicate removal are taken place in this loop, for loops. So here this is the k loop. This is the for loop for element which we are searching for. This is the k loop. One by one it is searching for the element which A of I. It is searched by j. There is searching takes place here. Once the search is found, that means the duplicate is found, that is A of j is equal to A of I. Then the k loop comes into picture, and here what happens, A of k is equal to A of k plus 1 means succeeding element. Once the match is found, we are entering into the k loop. This is once the match is found, and the succeeding element replaces the previous element if the match is found. That is done here. And here after the replacement, then the size is reduced by 1. That is size minus size is reduced by 1. And after that, the final array we are printing here. That is with only the unique elements. That printing is done here. Now we will execute the program and see how it works. So this is the we are running the program now. Total we are giving 9 elements. Enter the size of the array 9. Then elements we are giving 2, 8, 8, 2, 17, 5, 2, 17, 8. So this is the array we are given. So all the this is the array we are given. The elements of the array are 2, 8, 2, 17. These are the elements. So array with unique elements, all the duplicates are removed from this array. 2, 8, 17 and 5 are the unique elements. All the duplicates of 2, 17 and 8 are removed. So finally our array will be 2, 8, 17 and 5. Array with unique elements. This is the array which we have entered initially. So this is the final array. Hope you have understood this program. If you have understood it, don't forget to subscribe it. Thanks very much.